Good morning, this is Carrie Fletcher, and I'm here to show you how to print out your Eventbrite tickets to next week's in-service. So you'll either go to your back-to-school agenda that's been sent in your email, or you might even use a link that they've sent you with this video, and you're going to click on it, and it should take you right to where you need to be. Okay, you're going to click register. There's a green button. And you need a ticket for each day because we're going to scan you in. So put a 1 on all 3 of the days. You'll have one for Monday, one for Tuesday, and one for Wednesday. And you can see that it's not going to cost you anything. It's just a tracking system to keep up with who's where and when. Okay, so now I've got a 1 in all my boxes. Now I'm going to click this red register button. It's going to ask you for your first name, your last name, and your email twice. Whoops. You gotta spell it right. I would uncheck these boxes or you're just gonna get a whole bunch of stuff from Eventbrite that you may or may not want. Okay, then you're gonna click this red register button again. Then you can view your tickets. And it's going to say log in. You don't have to log in. All you need to do is click sign in with Google. If you're signed in with your school account, see it's asking me which one I want, your school account, and it'll take you right where you need to be. Oh, and you can see this is my order for my tickets for in-service for back to school. Whoops. They even sent me an email there. Here they are. I can see this. Let me make it a little bit bigger. There we go. And there's the red button that says print tickets. And this page will come up. And so you can either Control P, Command P if you're on a Mac, or you should be maybe have a print button if you're on a PC. All right, well, that is the way to get your Eventbrite tickets for next week's in-service. Make sure you bring Mondays on Monday and Tuesdays on Tuesday and Wednesdays on Wednesday, and we look forward to seeing you there. Thank you so much. Have a great day.